Video games are at a point where anyone can create a hit game alone, at home, and for free. Well, as long as you know the right tools. In this video, we'll break down the most popular free software you can use to make a professionally crafted video game. We'll divide it into 4 categories: game engine, audio, visuals, and optionally, scripting. If you're into game development or just games in general, there's a good chance you know what a game engine is. A game engine is essentially the main tool you use to create your game. Technically, you can create a video game without using a pre-built engine. But it's generally not recommended, especially for beginners, as you need to build your own systems like a rendering engine and a physics engine. There are quite a few free game engines to choose from, but the two with the most community support are Unity and Unreal Engine. Both are free and relatively easy to learn. You'll find thousands of tutorials on YouTube for both engines. I suggest trying both to see what works best for you and for your game. Now, let's move on to audio. Audio can be broken down into 2 subcategories: music and sound effects. Most indie game developers use a tool called SFXR to create sound effects for their games. SFXR allows you to generate sound presets that you can tweak to fit your needs. You might also want to edit these sound assets using Audacity. Audacity is a powerful free audio editor that many indie game developers use to refine sound effects or even create music. Next, let's talk about visuals. The tools you'll use to create stunning visuals will depend on your game's dimensions and art style. If your game is in 3D, you'll want to use Blender to create and animate your 3D assets. If your game is 2D, you can use GIMP or Graphic Scale for pixel art. Our last category would be scripting. Since both Unity and Unreal offers visual scripting workflows, this category is optional. I'll keep this one brief, just to use Microsoft Visual Studio. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts below. Bye-bye.